In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscription products in Gohighlevel. We'll be working inside your Gohighlevel account and walking through the product creation process from start to finish. This is useful if you want to sell a recurring offer, organize it properly inside your payments area, and make sure all of the key product information is set up before saving it. To begin, log into Gohighlevel and go to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look for the payment section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This is where you manage the financial side of your offers, including invoices, payment settings, and products. After that, click on Products. This will take you to the area where you can view existing products and create new ones. From there, click Create Product to open the product setup page. Now you can start entering your product details. First, add the title of your subscription product. Make sure the title is clear and easy to recognize, since this helps both with internal organization and with how the product may appear to customers. Next, add a description. This is where you can briefly explain what the subscription includes. A good description helps provide context and makes the product easier to identify later, especially if you manage multiple offers. Then add the product collection if you use collections to group related products together. This can be helpful for keeping your catalog organized, particularly if you offer different services, memberships, or plans. After that, add the product tax code. This step is important if your business needs to apply taxes correctly based on the type of product being sold. You'll also see the option to include tax and prices. If that matches the way you want your pricing displayed, go ahead and enable it. Next, add product media. This could be an image or other visual asset associated with the product. While it may seem optional, adding media can make your product listing look more polished and easier to identify at a glance. Once that's done, move to the pricing section and add the prices for your subscription product. Be sure to enter the pricing carefully, since this is the core of the recurring offer you're setting up. If your product comes in different options, you can also add variants. This is helpful when you want to offer different versions of the same subscription while keeping them under one product setup. You'll also find the search engine listing section. Fill this out if needed, especially if you want your product information to be more optimized and clearly presented in searchable contexts. When everything looks good, click Save to finish creating the product. And that's it. Your subscription product is now set up in Gohighlevel.